So yeah, this is my 92 EG Hatch. Doing a bit of a restoration build on at the moment. Yeah, I blew the motor up a few months ago, so I decided to pull that out. And at the same time, I'd fixed a few bits of rust and give it a paint job. So the motor that came out of this, well, the motor that came in this originally, it was a D13B. I've swapped that out to a B18C and put a GTX3582R Turbo on it with like a Speed Factory top mount and all sorts. So it's a pretty good turbo kit. I had that running for 2 years on about 12 PSI. I just tuned it myself. And yeah, that went hard for that for about 2 years, and then yeah, turned it up to 18 pounds, and the stock cylinder walls gave way. So I've got another motor in the shed getting rebuilt. So, well, actually, I've finished that. So you can actually check that video out as well on my channel. But yeah, today I'm just getting into all the interior because, well, yesterday I pulled out some of the back stuff, and yeah, I've got to pop the little trims off, so I don't want to break the clips and whatnot. So I'm gonna pull the other side. I'll pull the door cards off, and yeah, I'll get into that now. But also the carpet actually needs replacing, so a couple of holes in it, and it's pretty yuck. So, and the seats are pretty gross. So I might pull them out for the meantime and give them a clean up, and then look for some new interior. But for now anyway, I'll get into the door cards and get them taken off. So with the door cards, they're just screw behind the handle in there, another screw in the little door handle / ashtray thing, whatever it is, and another clip behind these rollers. This is the non-power, you know, the race car edition windows. And I think there might be something behind here, I'm not too sure. These just all clip off, so they just clip off. There's clips are all around the bottom, so you just have to pop it off and then pop it out. So I'll get into that now. Yeah, we've pulled the door cards out, so now we'll focus on getting these seats out and probably the carpet too. So I'll take these seats out, needs a couple of trims, and that should be all. There's only a couple of clips at the back. All the front ones will come off because I do all the loom and whatnot. So it's just those two little side pieces and we'll be good. But damn, look how good that hybrid shifter looks. Too bad it's the only thing that looks good in here. But yeah, we'll get that changed. So I've got all the interior all pulled out, got the seats pulled out and the carpet pulled out. Yeah, it's pretty empty in here. I got the rear interior pulled out the other day, so this is pretty much gutted now. So next thing I'm going to work on is the back tail lights. That's got, I've already pulled this one out, so. And the back plastic is off, so it's easy access. So there's only a couple of, well, there's 4 8mm on this one. So I'll pull those out, and then these back ones, I think hopefully they've only got one. Otherwise I cannot see the other bolts, so I'm hoping there's just one. So I'll pull these off anyway. So yeah, get the back tailgate all stripped down. There's a couple little spots of rust like this. Well, this one's pretty bad. I've got it cleaned up a bit, so just got to wire wheel it a bit more and put some bog over it and she'll be right. It's just where the two layers of metal meet each other. So there's another spot down here, and I pulled all this seal off and it looks alright, so I'll just leave that one on there for the meantime, just so it seals, just so I don't end up with a big puddle of water in the bottom of here. But yeah, that's probably one of the next jobs, either vacuum out this or I might go ahead and jack up the car, to be honest. It's starting to rain, so I don't know how much more I'll get done in the rain, but yeah, I might jack up the car and yeah, we'll go from there. It's the next day and it's been raining off and on, but it's finally got a break in the weather, so I'm gonna start pulling out the subframe. And yeah, I'm probably gonna start pulling out the control arms and the camber arms. So take the wheels off, pull the camber arms out, drop the suspension, and then have to jump under there. And I think there's like 4 or 6 bolts that hold the entire subframe in, but I have to get rid of all the power steering and all that too, so I'll get into that now. I've got the subframe all pulled out, so it's just the brake lines and the fuel lines left in here, so it'll be a lot easier to work in now. So I'll just have to get that sanded down and sand down the rest of the car as well. So I'll probably do that this week, and that'll be the next video, getting the car all ready to paint. And I'll probably under seal under the wheel arches, so I'll probably do that at the back as well. Just that rubberized coating stuff. And then yeah, got the subframe here and all the lower and upper control arms and the steering rack. So I'll give the subframe a bit of a paint, just a bit of a freshen up, just a bit dirty. And yeah, and the brake booster also could do with a bit of a paint. It's getting a bit rusty down there, so yeah, I'll probably give the power steering a tidy up as well. So I'll chuck that in the back of the van and I'll take that down to my flat and get that all cleaned up. So also got to take these seats down, so I'll do that now anyway. So yeah, brought all that stuff down to the flat for me to wash. So also gonna take this load up the top to get that all sanded down, the bumper and the bonnet and whatnot. But yeah, my room's looking a bit hectic at the moment. Got the seats and the engine there taking up that corner, and the couch is taken up by a whole lot of interior and the wing, and then got a whole lot more interior and other just random bits and engine stuff in those boxes, heater core, intercooler, got some seats up there and the door cards, shocks and whatnot. So yeah, and like tail lights, headlights, catch can, exhaust, starter motor. So it's looking bit hectic in my room at the moment, so but yeah, that's as much as I'm gonna get done this week anyway. So if you want to keep up with the build anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've got anything you want to let me know about the videos, comment down below. So see you in the next one.